Right now, what you currently see, I currently have a small buy-in right now just because of this rejection off the IOC. We can see it kind of building up right here. But I'm thinking about pulling it out because really I'm still very sell biased. I actually had this trade set up. Let me show you right here. I had this trade out set up last night and it hit. I was thinking maybe it would hit this morning at New York Open, but you could see it hit about 2 a.m. and fell out about 3:15. So it was in this area for an hour, but I was asleep at this time. So give or take, I think we could see a retrace back up. Now, this is a risky trade just because, yeah, I know that there was a support level built right here. Boom, boom, boom. You could see resistance, 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 and then support, 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 support. So you can kind of see how this area is being played out. Now, I think we should see a push up at least to this line here, if not a push up to this area here, where I think I'm taking a sell at. We would have a small stop loss because I do believe if it breaks this high here, then we could see possibly a little retrace, but then a continuation up. So at this point, I am looking to go ahead and sell either from this area, more preferably this area, just to see if it can possibly get back to the zone, maybe at New York Open, and then we could see the fall off. When I look at the trade, I like what I see in terms of fall off because I don't have it here, but let me show you on this side. So I have two charts, as you guys know. Oops. And you can kind of see how we're headed right now, right? You can see a clear rejection off the 50 EMA right here. Um, and we could see it push up and break up to the next side, which is a possibility. But for me, I think we do have a break of structure. And I think with the news coming out this week, I think we're a little overbought right now from last week, the way it finished. You can see all this consolidation Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday we had the big breakout up, right? So I think we're a little overbought, but it can push past this and blow up to the next side, and we just continue to keep going up. So it's really dependent on what price wants to do. So we'll see what price gives us, what price action's giving us. Oops. And we'll go from there. So we can see it's kind of making its way, but not necessarily, right? Still using this area as resistance. So let's see what happens. I'm not too sure. I expect a sell off, and I think I'm going to get out of this trade. Let me see where I'm at right now. I'm up about $35 on the trade. So we'll see what price gives us. I'm going to move this sell limit out of here. Yeah, I think it really could fall off from here. Just a simple, which I would hate to see. Um, you know, we got this 5 minute finishing right now, so let's see how this 5 minutes kind of moving. Yeah, you can see this is kind of like a bull flag or a bear flag right here. You can see there's clear support on this trend line, and there's clear resistance here, right? So I think if we see a break above, and we're in business to maybe continue up, but you can also see this 50 EMA right here on the 5 minute as well. So we just got to be mindful of what price is doing. And if we see a breakthrough here, then we're probably going to see a break to the downside, which I wouldn't take this out here just because we know this is a strong support level. Um, so yeah, this is where I'm at with it. And I think truly we could push. I've been holding my stop loss here for some time. I think we can move it up to about 26 pips. So at this point, I'm risking about $130, $140. So we'll see what price gives us though. So 5 minute finish, okay. It's the same thing right here. So I think it's really building up buyers and sellers right now to see what's what. But the only reason I'm bullish at this moment is because we had a clear break of structure, right? And broke these highs, broke these highs, broke these lower highs. So I think we should see a continuation up for now, but a quick reverse and we could see this thing come down. We also do have the news coming out today. Show you here. Consumer confidence is coming out. So see what happens. This is, I'm sure it's just based on the US consumer. Surveyed households greater than forecast is better for currency. I mean, you can see the US default on debt. I think that's a bunch of bullshit. They're going to figure it out and not let that happen. So you can see here, you can see how it's kind of falling off right here. So let's see how this thing finishes up for us. Let me check out NAS real quick. I know NAS is booming right now. Okay, so this is actually right in a little setup we have here, but I'm not selling here, even though we're clearly in an ILC. I don't know what, probably a daily, huh? We got this nice little daily ILC right here. Boom. You can see how that's playing out. That's pretty nice, actually. Rejection at those daily. I wouldn't take it yet. Oh, let me see something here. All right, so we got higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it's still an uptrend, but if we see price break below this here and even here, we could probably see something like this. It's definitely a possibility. So I would need these lows to be broken first, then we wait for a retracement back up to these areas, and then we could sell off from it. So that's also something else that we could be looking for. I'll put some alerts right here. You know what, let's just put an alert right here, see what happens. And then we'll see if price kind of gives it to us. Breaking higher low. So we'll see how this one plays out. US30 seems to be coming down a little bit right now, right? So we'll see if what price is going to give us. We got about 7 minutes till open. So we'll see what we're looking at. I'm down about $30 right now. So let's see. It's getting closer to open. I think it's getting closer to kind of showing its colors right now too. So it's true colors. Oh, shit, son. Bum, 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 bum. All right, so this 5 minutes about to finish. Pretty damn bearish, right? Got about 20 seconds left on this 5 minute, and it's finishing pretty bearish. So, but it's still respecting the trend line. It's still respecting this little flag that we got forming right here. So, see what's what. Boom. I mean, I guess technically we can do something like this. Touch more wicks, right? Whatever's meant to be is on me. Yeah, it might break through right here to the downside. It's a real possibility. We got 4.5 minutes till open, so let's see what happens. But if it does break through to the downside, I'm not a breakout trader, so I'll just take the loss, you know? So, we'll see what happens. So you can see it's already starting to break this trend line right here, right? So we're doing sloppy trend lines sometimes. You see something like that's a little better. So it looks like it is getting ready to break this trend line, as you can see here. Um, Definitely looks like it's on its way. But as we know, it's still respecting. So like I said, I'm risking $130 right here, which is a lot of money. But um, I'm risking it for what I see as a support level that's being respected. We got the 1 hour 50 EMA sitting under it. What's the 2 hour? Oh, you know why? Hold on. I forgot I messed this up. My bad. Watch this change right here. Here. Oh, can't do it. Yeah, both of these are falling pretty well right now. Nas is getting close to breaking that low. So even on Nas, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, maybe we see a little retrace right here. Usually I like to see the breaks on the 15-minute. So like I would like to see it break this low here. If it can break this low here, like actually break it, then we can look for that sell off. So, oh shit, son. Looks like it's coming down. We got 2 minutes till open. I'm not gonna take the sell here. I would rather take the sell on Nas, if I'm just being honest, because I don't like this. I mean, I guess it is a fairly decent risk to reward if you're gonna say, okay, I'm gonna take the trade here. It's actually a great risk to reward, but not at the support level. Not for me at least. It's hard for me to take these breakout trades just because I've gotten screwed on them so many times in the beginning. So yeah. So I'm down about $45 on this trade. $5 a pip. But it does look like it kind of wants its momentum is down right now. But if we can see a little retrace up back to this area, I'd be happy. So let's see what's what. So what's going on? Yeah, my bad, guys. Hold on a second. It is coming down now. Why we're seeing this right now. Okay. I like what Nas is doing here too. And US30 is finishing bearish as hell. Alright, 630. Alright, at the support level. Using it as resistance. That looks like a good sell-off. I ain't even gonna lie. See what happens here. Alright, so I took the loss, about $150. I went a little bit past my slippage. Wow, look at that though. Look at that push. Mother sucker. Oh, I hate when that happens. Stop loss was a little too tight. All right, let's see if my cells are where I want them to be. It's a big rejection. It's bouncing right off the EMA, right? Okay, it might come down from here, guys. See how this 1 minute's finishing. Go to the 1 minute chart real quick. So bouncing off of it. I haven't put nothing in here, sorry. Like I said, I would like for it to come up to this zone here, and then we could take the sell. Let's see if we can get up there. I want to put a buy, but not here. Even though it looks like it could come up pretty crazy. Ooh, that's a big fall off for Nas. So now that it did break this low, if it comes back up here, I'm taking the sell for Nas. Okay. Oh, was that it already? No way. Oh, damn. Oh shit, son. That's a big fall off. 30 pip rejection right there. Still 30 seconds left on the clock though, so we could see sellers are trying to come in, but buyers are kind of what? Hold on. Man, I don't know if I like that either. These are kind of moving up crazy. So US30 is still respecting and rejecting. Man, I don't know if I should take this. You know what? I just took a sell on Nas. Not sure if it's gonna work, but I did enter a sell on Nas. Whoa, maybe it is gonna work. We're up about 50 bucks. US30 hasn't quite reached my zone yet. It's looking like it's coming up that way, but hasn't quite reached it yet. But Nas, I am in a sell. I had a sell limit up here, but it didn't. It just missed it by like fucking 2, 3 pips. But let's see what happens right here. All right, so I'm in on both of these, Nas and US30. Fuck it. Let's go. I'm in both. Holy shit, son. This is a moment of truth. Damn, I'm a little flustered right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Damn. I think I got too much going on. Nas is coming up on me pretty quickly. US30 is falling pretty quickly. So I think I'm gonna move my stops to break even on Nas. And if it hits it, it hits it. And I'm gonna just focus on US30. Sorry guys. I'm focusing on US30. We can see what kind of happened right here. But I'm gonna get out of Nas. Or well, I'm gonna move my stops to break even on Nas. So about 2 pips. I'm only about 10 pips, 11 pips in the profit. Oh shit. Damn near nothing in the profit. But I'm gonna focus on Nas. I mean US30. And I'll show you where I'm at right now. I added a couple positions on the way down. Should have went heavier up here. But after it rejected, fuck it. Oh shit, son. Let's go. Dang, my NAS is about to get stopped out pretty soon. But my US30 is hitting. Okay, I'm gonna start closing profit right now because I am down 150 with the or 167. So I'm gonna start closing profit right now. Oh shit, son. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna start closing profit right here. Hold on a second. So we are up. Sorry, I'm on my MT4 too, but we are up. Thinking my original TP, not my original, where I wanted to take TP was right here to this purple line. So hopefully we can do that. Um, take it right here to this purple line. See what happens. Damn, that's a big rejection on the 1 minute though. See if we can get it back down. This is a clear support area right here too on my other screen. So we got to be mindful of that. I think I should just pull out. Let's just call it a day. I mean, it's pretty fucking bearish though. So maybe you just stick to it because I already pulled profit right here at this area. Oh, it's still going. Move your stops to break even. Oh shit, it's still going, son. Oh shit, son. Alright, fuck it. I closed most of my trade right now. Um, let's go. We're up 100 pips right now in our top position. Let's fucking go. Stops to break even. Let's go. All right, so I mean, I didn't take it to where I wanted to take it, but for me, it's the end of the day. I know I need to focus more on the pips, but got to make the money too. So we're almost to TP right now. This is just a runner for me. Um, just a runner for me. Oh shit, son. I had so I had at $10 a pip. I have $2 a pip on the top, and 5, and then 3. So about $10 a pip, and you can see it's already kind of retracing right now. Just missed our area, but hopefully we can see it continue down. We know that when we go to the 15-minute here, we're right in an IOC, so it doesn't have to come down from here. It literally could just push up. So yeah, maybe I should hop out now that I think about it. You know what? I got my stops at break even, so we're up 527 on the day. I'll take that shit any day of the week. So let's see what happens here. For 5 minutes of very, very extended bear candle. So we can see that here. It's a clear bear candle. Um, let's see what happens. So maybe this line is supposed to be like right. I guess so, huh? I guess that looks a little bit cleaner. And that's why it fell off from this area. I was just a little too high up. But I'll take it. What a great morning. What a great morning. I see there's one person on here with me. If you're able to learn something or make some money with me, let me know. I'd really like to know. Um, maybe it's not all for naught. Oh, look at. Oh, seen that? Good thing I got out of it because it would have stopped me right at 38 pips. But you could see here exactly what it did, right? Kind of what I said I wanted it to do. That's pretty nice. I ain't gonna lie. See, just keep on falling, baby. Hey, 6:43. I might just call it a day right now. You know, ain't nothing better than making 500 in motherfucking 45 minutes, though. Oh, for sure. Good looking, man. Appreciate you hopping on. If you're able to take something from this or make some money, if you can send it to my IG, I'd appreciate that. Good morning, kiddos. Hey, you got banana on your head. Good morning, baby. Good morning. How'd you sleep? Good. Ready for school? What's up, dude? I'm gonna be early again. You want to be early again? Okay, we'll make it happen, okay? Get you breakfast right now. What's mama doing? She's sleeping. All right. I'm almost done here, okay? It's looking good to continue down. I mean, right now on the 1 minute, 15 minute, everything looks good to continue down. Doesn't have to though, right? Doesn't have to do what we want it to do. I'd like to see the ADX start coming up because it's super bearish, but you know, we'll see. And remember, this is the original trade that I wanted to hit. We can see how, you know, it hit overnight, but original trade, the reason I liked it is because this was respected. So then we can move on to the trend continuation, which we could see right off the 15-minute 50 EMA, resistance to support. So we had a lot of confirmations to take this trade. I was just waiting for a higher area, but same thing. Good kick. Boom. Kick. Good job. You got banana on your head. Uh-oh. Kick it. Good kid. All right, it's on its way down. Let's see. I got to start learning how to hold these trades all the way through, you know? What? I just closed another 133. 133 pips. Now we got a runner for 0.01. So now I just got a 0.01 runner right now. So it just got to that area. So that's why I pulled my trade right there. 133 pips. I guess it did. And now I got a runner that I'm hoping we can see it continue to break below this, break below it, and then hopefully move on down to this side, and I'll have my TP right here, which is going to be 289 pips. Not sure it's going to happen, but, you know, fuck it. So far, close at 133 pips. Well, you can see that push up right there. Damn. Alright, so Silas. Fuck it. I'm happy I pulled it at that moment because it is starting to push up on us, but we're still at 100 plus pips, right? 103, 105 pips right now. We'll see if it can continue down. I'm gonna start getting my kids right. Rich, thank you for hopping on, man. Yeah, and anybody else who sees this later on today, hope you guys are able to take something from it. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Wednesday, we got some big news. We actually got some big news coming right now at 7. So me personally, I like to get out before then, and then we'll see what happens from there. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, though. Have a good one.